this problem from basic probability theory, and this is also from Calcutta University paper 2022 CC 11 and semester 5. And the problem is, for any two event A and B, given that P of A this is equal to 1/3, P of B this is equal to 1/4, and P of A union B this is equal to half, then we have to find P of A given B. 4 options are given, we have to choose the correct option. We first write the formula of P of A given B. What is the formula of A given B? P of AB by P of B. Okay, and we know that P of AB means P of A intersection B by P of B. Now here we write the formula of P of A union B. P of A union B, this is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, and this is given by half. Now we put the value of P of A, this is equal to 1/3, P of B this is equal to 1/4 minus P of A intersection B, this is equal to half. So we get minus P of A intersection B, this is equal to half, minus this is 12, 7 by 12. Sum of two fraction is 7 by 12, and this is given by 12, this is 6 minus 7, so minus 1 by 12, that is P of A intersection B, this is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, now we put the value of P of A intersection B, this is 1 by 12 by P of B. What is P of B? P of B is given, this is 1 by 4. So our correct answer is 1 by 3, and this is in option number 1. The first option is the correct option. Okay, very simple problem from CU 2022. Thank you for watching.